Hi everyone, this is Nick Lin, a product manager at Advantech. Welcome to Advantech booth. Today I'm going to share with you our rugged system solutions. As we all know, reliable technology plays an important role in our daily life. It has also become a critical part of various industries, such as transportation, public utility, and defense. Those industries have a unique requirement for their equipment, and they all need solutions that can work in harsh environment and withstand vibration, extreme temperature, and other challenges. That's where rugged system come in. Advantech has several types of rugged systems. Each of them is designed to meet specific environmental requirements. For example, the TS-207 is a perfect solution for outdoor and transportation applications because it's built with the 11th generation Intel processor, providing a powerful performance and a fast processing speed for real-time and low latency applications. The TS-207 is also have a native AI capability, supported by Intel OpenMINO. This allows advanced data analysis and decision-making at the edge. This is especially important for applications that require a real-time data processing and analysis, such as monitoring, control system, and driver security in transportation. Meanwhile, the fanless design ensures a low maintenance and its IP65 rate, meaning it provides a protection against water and dust, and can work in temperature ranging from -40 to 60 degrees C. It also meets MIL standard A10H for anti-vibration and is certified for in-vehicle and roadway safety. This means it can continue working in transportation, roadway application, where shock and vibration are very common. We are running OpenMINO on the TS-207 with a serial processor. The AI performance is more than adequate, and it can be used to detect people and backpacks, as shown in the picture. The live demo shows a scenario in a public space. The blue side shows the people detection and contains the number of people in the picture in real time, and the red part shows the backpack detect. This is a type of object detection that your customer can use to identify potential dangerous items. We believe it's a very good solution for outdoor application. In addition to the rugged design, more and more customers are looking for reliable and rugged solutions due to the climate change. In summary, rugged systems are specially designed computers that can withstand harsh environment and challenging conditions. They are built to last, provide a high performance and reliable for various industries, such as defense, utility, and transportation. If you are looking for a solution that can work in harsh environment, our rugged system solutions are the perfect solution for you. Thank you for your listening.